guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to make this super delicious and very easy coquito, which is Puerto Rican rum, keep on watching. These are the ingredients that we're going to be using. You can find the recipe right here on the screen, and it'll also be down below in the description box. We're going to start off by adding all of the milks, and when I mean all of them, I literally mean all of them. This recipe is super easy and like very simple to do. Once we're done adding all of the milk, we're gonna give it a quick mix, and this is like my top secret right here. I like to take it to the blender and blend it up. I also forgot to record this part. I'm not sure why, but I forgot. I added the cinnamon and the nutmeg, and then I blended it. So remember to add that before you blend it. The reason why I blend it is because of the coconut milk. It tends to come out like very chunky, and I don't like that. So I just blend it up just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. And now we're gonna use our rum. You can honestly use any type of white rum, but I prefer this one. I actually ended up using the whole entire bottle, so don't let this little clip fool you. And once you add the rum, you're pretty much done. I just give mine a little mix before I pour it in the bottle. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's really that easy and simple to do. I also forgot to mention that you can do this recipe or this coquito without rum, and it'll taste super delicious. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new video. Adios!